What is long COVID? It's worth mentioning, just before we dive into this, that this evening I'm going to be talking about primarily patients that have not been admitted to intensive care and therefore have not been intubated and ventilated. We're going to be talking about patients who have predominantly been managed at home from March last year onwards. So you may or may not have heard that NICE and SIGN produced a rapid guideline in 2020, and they have split the definition of long COVID or COVID into three distinct areas. So the first one being acute COVID, which is when a patient experiences that initial infection, and those symptoms can last up to 4 weeks.